Welcome to class project 2. The name of our class project is how to export projects in DaVinci Resolve. I have attached in a description and also an outcome. So make sure not to skip any parts. So let's get into it. In our description, we can see that exporting in DaVinci Resolve is the process of saving your edited video project as a final video file in a specific format for sharing or distribution. Let's get into our steps. Open a DaVinci project or DaVinci Resolve project. You can try it with the DaVinci Resolve trial project. Step 2 is go off to the deliver page. In step 3, name your project. Step 4 is going to be fixing your location and also your format. Step 5 is going to fix the resolution and quality. And step 6 is to click on add to render. And then the outcome is that by learning how to export in DaVinci Resolve, you can save your edited videos in different formats for sharing on different or various platforms. So without any further ado, let's start off step 1 by opening up DaVinci Resolve on your device. Now, as we have opened up DaVinci, I'm going to make myself a new project. What I'm going to do is type in class project 2. You can try your own project, but if you see that you have the trial, your trial of, DaVinci, then you can also do that. You can also go off to new, and then you will basically find out the trials of DaVinci. You can see the tutorial. Okay. You can try that too. It's totally fine. So I'm going to open up the trial video of DaVinci. Now, after you get the trial video of DaVinci, you might see sometimes it might be like this. If you see it like this, then you can skip out this part and make your own one. So you can go off the file, you can go off the project manager and open up the video which you want to use. You can go back to local database, go off the project, and you can use your own one. So from here, I'm just going to use my own one. Let's say I'm going to use cut and trim. So there we go. I have my video and I want to export it. Now, if I want to export it, first off, the step is going to be going off the deliver. Now, when you go off the deliver, first off, name of your file. Let's say I'm going to do is going to be naming it class project 1. Now, put your location from where you want to save it. So now, I want to save it over on my DaVinci resource file. So I'm going to click on save. Let's say I'm going to do is going to be naming it class project 1. Hit on save. Okay. Then click on single and then first off, go off to the format, which format you want. So I'm going to need MP4 and then on codec, I want 264H.264. I can also try 265. It's basically up to you. Fixing the encoder, which one you want. I'm going to keep it on auto and obviously turn on network optimization. And the step is going to be fixing out your resolution. Now, if you see that a couple of your videos have different resolution, if you're using 4K, but you cannot go up to 4K, it's up to you. Now, if you increase the resolution, it will take a bit more time to, render up the whole thing. So if you want HD, you can try out 1080p and it will give you a decent result without even losing any, resolution or any pixels. So I'm going to keep it over here. Use vertical resolution too. Keep the frame rates somewhere around 30. Okay. And then click on chapter from marker. You can also do that. And then over here on ICQ, you can change it up. Encoding profile, keep it on main. And on over here, you're going to increase it up to 51. And on the presets, you're going to apply quality. Now, after you're basically done with everything, you can also keep it same as the project and obviously keep it just the way it is. Use optimized media. And then after you're done, just keep it up. And then the last thing is add to render queue. Click on that. You can see add higher resolution render. You can also do that. What I'm going to do is just press on add. And you can press select on render. And you can see that it is now being rendered up. Okay. So now hope you understood everything about this class project on how you'll be able to, you can see just click on render all and then you're good to go. Okay. So hope you understood about everything in this lesson on how you'll be able to export your video with, the highest render quality possible. And then what you can do is just go off to your folder and check it out how it looks like. Okay. So hope to see you guys in my next course. And thank you for watching all the videos up till the very end. Up till then, stay healthy and stay well. If you still fall into any problem, if you have any confusion or any question, feel free to ask me anytime. I'm always there to help you out. So thank you again. And let's move on to our next course.